Hello Taurus, this is your monthly reading for the month of May. So let's check out overall theme for you and your partner, how you feel, how they feel about you, right? And final outcome. And at the last, we have a song. So let's check out overall theme for my beautiful Taurus for the month of May. Overall theme forgiveness. Maybe you want forgiveness from someone, or maybe someone asking you in the month of May for forgiveness. So something is like do something wrong with someone in your love connection, or maybe in a friend zone. So maybe some sort of a apology coming your way, right? So let's see your partner's overall theme for the month of May. Overall theme of your partner: rebirth, reverse. So what that mean? Change. Some sort of a transformation need to be happen in your person's life, but they are not accepting the change. Maybe they are the one who is like have to ask you about the forgiveness. Universe is like continuously pushing this person to make the change, but this person is like denied. This person is little bit stubborn. This person in a deny phase. They, or maybe if you are asking for the apology, right, then still this person is not accepting your apology. So some sort of stubborn energy here. See, the energy maybe shift vice versa. So take whichever side you feel resonated with, right? So let me check out your love energy towards your partner. Six of Cup, you feel the soulful connection with your partner. Old memories, you are just continuously thinking about your past memories, that the beautiful time period you shared with your partner. Let's see how they feel. They are not in communication with you, and maybe this person is not showing that they are in this kind of a sad moments, or they feeling sad about the situation that you both are in. They are not talking with you. They have to go into their spiritual journey. That's why there is a rebirth card. This person, universe is like continuously pushing this person in their isolation, so that they should make some sort of a change in their life. They should realize about something. They continuously thinking about the negative things. They are not see the two cups behind them. They are sad about the situation. They are not in communication with you. This person is in a isolation, and this person no doubt very wise from the inside. This person have to go on this journey alone to recognize something, right? So some sort of a rebirth process, transformation, change need to be happen in their life. This is the time period that is necessary for your person to heal. So let's see your love energy towards your partner. You're just simply thinking about the old memories. So your love energy towards your partner. So you have the temperance card and the wheel of fortune. You are waiting for the right time period, right? And you are patiently dealing with your partner. No matter what, you just maintain your emotional balance, and you are patiently waiting for the right time period, that when this person come out from this isolation. So let me take one card from your partner's side. See, I again see the death card. This person have to go through some changes, some transformation in their life. This person is going through the night, dark night of the soul, right? And the other card, they have the Eight of Cups. So this person have to listen their intuition. This person have to enlighten about something. Universe is continuously pushing this person to listen their inner guides, right? So let's see the final outcome. See, you both are trapped, but I'm getting this is not you. This is like your partner. Whoever this energy, this person is trapped into their own fears. This person having some sort of a mental trap, negative fears around them, insecurities related to this connection. That's why this person is like continuously running from the connection, right? And bottom of the deck, again, we have the King of Swords. They have to talk about the truth, that how they feel, that what their fears about. They have to clear each and everything with you, so that you both build this beautiful abundance family together, right? So let me see the song for my beautiful Taurus for the month of May. It's blank. See, this person is still very confused what to say. Like, this person is totally in no communication. There is nothing. Let me take the another song for my beautiful. Like, they are feeling blank from the inside. Another song. I believe in you. So they believe in you. This is the song. I believe in you, right? So this is the song for my beautiful Taurus. If you like, then like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.